What's up guys, Manuela Vincent back with another video, and on today's video I'm going to share with you 5 ways where you can earn $10 to $100 for simply reviewing website and apps, right? Very exciting stuff to share today. But before we get into the content of that video, guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. On my channel, I love to share ways where you can earn money from the comfort of your home online every day, right? I love to share with you business tools that I'm using to be successful. And of course, I love to share any kind of inspiration and motivation with you guys to keep you guys having a joyful, productive day. All right. So if any of that resonates with you guys, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button somewhere down below. Also be sure to hit that notification bell. That way you're notified when I do put out another video. All right. So these 5 websites, don't worry, I'm not going to show you the website links right now. I'm just going to probably just basically go through and review them at a higher level, show you how you can get started, how much they're paying, and how you get paid with them, okay? No investment with these today, guys, all right? So let's go ahead and get started. So the first one I'm going to talk about today is called Try My UI, user interface basically is what that stands for. You'll get paid to use websites and apps, and you're going to be giving your honest feedback with these sites, guys, right? So basically what this is clients reach out to this company because they need people to test their products, right? They want to improve their products. And that's with anything here that I'm going to show you today. I've done several of these before. I currently do one that basically requests me to test out a game on my phone. And when I speak out loud my feedback with it, it basically they'll pay me a certain amount of money to my PayPal account. So very simple. Now, guys, I do want to stress that if you're here to look for something that's going to give you a substantial amount of money, these are pretty much just for some quick cash. I do highly recommend the next, my number 1 rated business opportunity where you can earn some nice cash. You could take a look at that here. And guys, if you feel like you're getting value from this video and you want to learn about my number 1 recommended way to earn a full-time income online, be sure to go to this first link at the bottom of the description. Go and put your best email address. And with this opportunity, you're able to make anywhere from $100 to $2,000 per day, 100% commissions. All right, guys, so back to this. Again, this particular one is called Try My UI. So I'm going to take you to the website. Again, I'm going to put the description. I'm going to put the links to the description below. That way you could check them out on your own time. I do highly suggest you review it. I can't guarantee what you'll make. Again, there is a qualifying process for any of these. They need to get your demographics. They need to know if the test they're going to shoot out to you in an email is going to be relevant to something that you'd be able to, test based upon what your everyday life is like. Okay. So there is a qualifying process, nothing complicated. What you're going to do, guys, what I recommend you do is go to the FAQ, and it's going to tell you and you go to this first link, check out the tester FAQ page, because a lot of questions, guys, I know people are going to come back to me asking me questions. Everything is on the page. Just do your due diligence to go through these and review them on your own before coming back and asking me questions, right? I'm transparent. However, this is the best place for you to do because I don't own these pages. I'm referring you to them. Okay. So this will tell you about what a usability test is, what the client is looking for as far as usability, how you'll receive the test. Again, there is a qualifying process. Not everybody's going to be matched with a test. Maybe the client wants someone who has children that are in a certain age bracket in order for them to participate in this particular test, right? This is an example I'm giving you. So come down and review this stuff. You're going to have to download some recorders on your computer because they do want you to speak out loud on these tests. Like I gave you an example about how I participate on my mobile device. How you're going to get paid, right? Again, like I said, you'll get paid via PayPal for this particular one, and it does pay out $10 for you to take this test, right? And it lasts about 20 minutes, guys. So what you'll do in order to get started earning, you'll go to get paid to test, right? You're going to put in your full name, your PayPal email, because that's how they're going to pay you with this one. and you create a password and confirm your password, and then you'll get started. It's just submit and you'll get started. They will email you the next steps to qualify, as well as any test that you're eligible for to take. They'll email you. Okay, so very simple with that one. Let's move on to the next one, guys. So the next one is user feel. You're going to take a user test that lasts about 10 to 20 minutes and complete it from your home, on your computer or smartphone. And for each of these, like I said, this one has an initial qualification test. You get paid $10 for these. If you do qualify and you take the test, you receive payment after approval, and about 1 week after the test completes, you'll get paid via PayPal or Amazon gift cards. You have the option to choose on that one. Okay, so let's go to the website, guys. Very simple. Tester frequently asked questions. So this is so helpful, because that way everything here that you probably have a question about is right here on the first page. You'll want to watch videos, guys. Always watch videos if they're providing that, to see how it works. It tells you what a usability tester does. What do you do, right? It'll talk you through that. And in order to test websites and get paid, you do need to have a Windows or Mac computer. It tells you what what the requirements are. It talks to you about how important it is to have a microphone, external or internal, because you are going to be speaking out loud as you're going through the testing process. Okay. What language should I speak? You should speak the language of the test. So they will ask you those kind of qualifying tests too in the beginning. Do you speak more than one language? They want to know what you'd be suitable for in here. That way they can provide you the proper test for you to take. There's the screener questions, what are they going to be like? So guys, you can go through this. I don't want to keep this video way too long. I have 3 more to go through, but you can come here and do your due diligence, guys. And don't come back and say, I haven't made any money, guys. Do your due diligence and come through here and read these frequently asked questions. Make sure you set up like they want you to set up, right? Make sure you set up a PayPal account. How do you become a tester? Just click the become a tester. Very simple, guys. Come in. You're going to have to obviously complete a login process. Come down here, become a tester, and you basically will fill out the information. Very simple. Everything is right here, very transparent for you. Again, they provide you frequently asked questions. They're going to get a lot of questions on how do I get paid? What kind of tests am I going to get, etc. So you just fill out the form, guys, to the best of your knowledge: PayPal, email address, birthday, gender, your native language. See, this is how they're going to decide what kind of test they're going to give you, guys. What kind of device are you going to be testing on? Desktop. Do you want to use your phone? I would choose more than one on this one, right? If you have an iPad, put it down. iPhone, if you have an Android phone. And then why you want to become a tester, guy. They're not going to disqualify you because they want testers. So, put in something that's, very relevant, right? You want extra money. You love to be on social media. You love to review websites. Tell them why you want to be a qualifying tester, right? And then, of course, do the CAPTCHA here and apply for the testing. No one's getting turned away from this if you're going to put in a smart, educated answer, right? Why are you really here? I love to review websites. I love going on the internet. I love to review things. I want to provide my honest feedback. So things like that. All right. So let's go to the next one, guys. Userlytics. Number 3, complete a series of tasks and instructions while interacting with a prototype of production websites or mobile apps, or reviewing video commercials or other digital user interfaces while speaking out loud your thoughts. Again, a lot of these want you to speak out loud as you're going through them. That way they get to feel what you're feeling as you're going through. Because again, guys, you're providing valuable input so that they can probably enhance the product, and that way they can, make the user experience of that product better to the, everyone out there. So you want to be honest, and they want to hear it. They want, even if it's a terrible product or a website that you're doing, like when I do the games on my phone, I'm literally saying, oh, this is difficult. I'm not really understanding it. They want that feedback, and that's how they're going to pay you. So you'll get paid 5, 10, 15, or even 90, depending on the test that they're giving you, right? depending on whatever it is. Okay, so again, no guarantee, is up to you what test you qualify for. We're going to go right into number 3, and again, it's called Userlytics. Register and earn money by completing the short, easy form on the page. Join our global community of testers. Interact with web or mobile apps, right? They're telling you right here how much you get paid, 5, 10, 15, 20, or other amounts. And depending on the project, it could be 90, right? And it's fun. So guys, think of it as this is a fun little way to make some extra side hustle money, guys, all right? This is not going to get you rich. So don't come into this thinking, oh, I'm going to make a lot, you know, but hey, this money can add up depending on the test that you're qualified for, right? So you're just going to go here, put your email address, confirm you're 16 years of age or older, and then you're going to sign up, right? It talks to you how it works, right? It talks to you about the software and hardware you're going to need. So you can do these from your phone and desktop, all right? So again, that's how you're going to sign up. Just go here. I've already signed up for all of these, so I can't really show you that. But, you know, again, you just put your, let's see if it'll let me do it again here. It won't. So I've already signed up, so I can't show you that. But it's easy. Just go ahead and do that. And then you're going to want to download the recorder on your desktop, and you're going to want to download the same on your mobile device, right? So that way you're getting it. Again, guys, all of these are you know, based upon the criteria they're asking you, your demographics. If you have children, that's going to basically qualify you for whatever test they're going to email you. All right. So guys, if you're getting any value out of this video today, you know, show me that love on this video, hit the thumbs up, you know, hit that subscribe button, guys, down below. Also be sure to hit that notification, guys. All right, guys. So back to the 4th test. It's called user testing. You get $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete. User testing pays you to visit websites or apps, complete a set of tasks, and speak your thoughts again out loud. So we're going to go over to that one right here. This is the platform. Again, guys, all the links to these are going to be in the description below. So don't worry if you're not seeing where to go. It's in the video description. And top brands want to hear from you. Basically, get paired to share your opinions, experience, make things, you know, you care about better. So you're giving, you know, your honest feedback. How it works, you're going to sign up, apply to join our global community, taking a practice test first. Then so it says, then you're going to give feedback on the products that you love and use today. Once you get qualified, again, it's not a complicated process. They just want to know what kind of test they should be giving to you based upon your personal, you know, criteria. Then you get paid $10 for every 20-minute test you complete, and even more for reviews, right? Make your voice heard. So these are some of the products. So if you look at this, it's very reputable. Best-in-class companies rely on user testing. Home Depot needs feedback, Facebook, Wayfair, CVS, Adobe, Alaska, and Ford, right? So you can kind of do your due diligence, come down here, and then join. There's some frequently asked questions, guys, if you want to go down here and look at those. I'm not going to do that for sake of time on this video. What is the application process? How do I get paid, etc., right? Just go here. Again, I've already applied to these. I can't show you that, but you just put your best email, say you've read and agreed to the terms, and click apply. Very simple, guys. All right, so let's keep moving on. And the last one, guys, is called validly, if I'm saying that correctly. Basically, you'll be asked to complete a set of tasks, speak your thoughts out loud, and answer questions regarding a website or app, right? Payments are vary based on the test. Again, many of the studies pay in $100 range for a live remote research session, which is awesome. All payments are processed through PayPal within 7 business days of you completing the test. So guys, that's why I'm saying you can earn anywhere from $10 to $100, depending on which of these you qualify for. I would apply to all of them. I did, okay? Apply to all of them. Again, guys, I want to reiterate, there's no startup fees with any of these. You just simply go to the websites like I'm showing you and simply put in your best email address and go ahead and get started, all right? So validly. Test websites make money. It's that simple, okay? Thousands of companies use this. These are some of the companies that use this, okay? They want people to come in and test their products. Google, Amazon, Microsoft. So look at the reputation here. And that's why I like to show these. I will not bring anything to you that's scamish. I refuse to do that. I've signed up myself, and these will make you some side hustle money, right? If you're looking for that little bit of change that you need to get you through to get gas or food, as the economy is really in a bad time right now. Okay. So check this out. How it works. It talks about how it works. Sign up here, click the link, start taking tests. You'll start receiving emails offering money for feedback, right? And websites and apps get paid. You get paid for every test you successfully complete. Thanks for the feedback, right? So frequently asked questions. Again, look through the frequently asked questions. Guys, you shouldn't have to come back to me for questions. The only question I can answer is just sign up. They're free. Don't hesitate on that. Put in the best answers to your ability with the qualifying part. That way you can get more tests to you, right? Again, I like to sum this up by saying you are not going to get rich with these, right? These are just some little bit of side hustle money. If you don't have any money to invest right now, that's why I like to talk to many people, because everyone's on a different level with this economy the way it is, right? But I do suggest these 5 guys. These 5 ways to earn a little extra cash. If you don't want to be talking to people on the phone, this is just another 5 ways that you can earn $10 to $100, guys. So that's pretty much it, guys, on this video. Hopefully you got some value from this video, guys. Again, if you guys are looking for a little bit more money than just $100, for doing one task, right? If you guys are looking for some serious income, be sure to check out on this screen right here, my videos for one of my recommended #1 ways of earning a nice substantial amount of money. Just basically, referring people to this product. You'll be able to make some good money, guys, and check out that video.